Welcome to this new video, and today I am going to teach you that how can we select cable size on the basis of ampere rating. Definitely MCCB rating will be ampere rating, and on the basis of ampere rating we will select cable size. So here we will start from 40 ampere. As I already discussed that MCCB rating starts from 40 ampere. Less than 40 ampere MCCB is not available in market, and till then 32 we will use MCB. If our ampere rating will be more than 32, then we will use MCCB. On 40 ampere MCCB cable size will be 16 mm and its earth core conductor will also be 16 mm. 4 core mean that there will be one red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and one will be neutral in single core. There will be 4 cables in single core. Next, on 63 ampere we will use 16 ampere over main cable, 4 core cable, and ECC will also be 16 ampere. On 80 ampere our cable size 4 core cable will be 25 and single core will be 16 mm. On 100 ampere 4 core cable will be 35 mm and single core ECC will be 16 mm. Its color will be yellow green and it's called earth core conductor. On 125 ampere cable size will be 50 mm, 4 core 50 mm, and single core ECC will be 25 mm. On 160 ampere 4 core cable will be 70 mm and single core cable will be 35 mm. On 200 ampere 4 core cable will be 95 mm and single core ECC will be 50 mm. On 225 ampere 4 core cable will be 120 mm and single core ECC will be 70 mm. On 250 ampere 4 core cable will be 150 mm and single core ECC will be 70 mm. Then after that ampere rating will be 300 ampere. It means that after 250 we have a MCCB rating 300 ampere. We don't have any MCCB having a rating of 260, 270, 280. So if our ampere rating will be more than 250 and less than 300, we will use MCCB of 300 ampere. Its cable size will be 4 core 185 and single core ECC earth core conductor for this MCCB will be 95 mm. For 400 ampere MCCB cable size will be 300 mm. Sorry, there was a mistake. Cable size will be 300 ampere and single core ECC will be 185 mm. So these are the values you must have to know, and you must have to memorize these values for designing. For example, somewhere we are going to use MCCB 125 ampere, then at that stage you must know what will be the cable size, because we cannot open book and then see table. So you must have to memorize all these things. Now there is a question that how I select 4 core 16 mm for 40 ampere. In the selection of cable there are some factors. For example, what is the distance between 2 points, one point from where we are supplying and other point that is taking supply. So what will be the distance between these 2 points? Second thing is that what will be the voltage drop between these 2 points? one point from where power supply we are giving power supply, and at other point we are taking power supply. So what will be the distance? Then temperature, what will be the ambient temperature? Then material of the cable, that which material manufacturer used for this cable. On the basis of these factors, we calculate cable size. But remember, if distance between 2 points is less than 150 meter, if distance between 2 points less than 150 ampere, then these all values are correct. You can use these value. If distance is less than 150 meter, and our ampere rating is 40 ampere, then we can use 4 core 16 mm. If our distance between 2 point, 1 point from where we are supplying and other point that is taking power supply, more than 150 ampere, then we have to calculate these value, that whether we can use 4 core 16 mm on 40 ampere or not. But this is for beginner, and if I told you long calculation, definitely it will create confusion for you. Right now you have to memorize these things, these values. Later on I will tell you how can we calculate voltage drop between 2 points, and then how can we calculate exact value of cable. But in every country, every region, the electricity regulatory authority defined these value. They, on the basis of calculation, they calculate and define these value in their regulation wiring book. You can see these value from there. Right now I am in United Arab Emirates, and here we are using these standards. Hope so you understand this idea, and get ready for next video. Thank you.